First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your computer, then you will see this main interface. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Samsung phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your Samsung phone to make sure the connection is established. After successfully connecting, all the data on your Samsung phone will be displayed by categories in the interface. Click SMS, then all the text messages on your Samsung phone will be displayed on the right interface. You can scroll down to preview all the text messages in detail. Tick off the text messages you want to copy, then click the Export button on the top corner of the interface. Here you can choose the file format for the text messages exported. After that, select a location on your computer to save the exported text messages.